In this video, we're going to look at the single most common error made in all of algebra. If you can learn to avoid this error, it's going to help you with algebra, algebra 2, pre-cal, SAT, SAT subject test, calculus, everything, because this error comes up so often. We're going to start off by taking a look at a more simple situation, which is we're subtracting two algebraic quantities, 3m minus 2 minus the quantity 5m minus 7. And what do? We remember to distribute the negative sign like this. And so the result is we get 3m minus 2 minus 5m plus 7. And then, of course, you combine like terms, etc. If any of this doesn't sound familiar, let your teacher know. We're going to need to work on distribution to build up those skills and then come back to this video afterwards. But if you do understand all of this, let's go on to the next two levels. Let's say we have something like this. 3m minus 2 in parentheses over 7 minus 5m minus 7 over 7. Now, you probably know what to do over here as well. You probably know that this minus sign, you got to distribute it to here and to here. And you probably know that you get 3m minus 2 minus 5m plus 7 over 7. If that's unfamiliar, if that doesn't sound like something you know about, again, let your teacher know. Let's work on distribution before we come back to the rest of this. Now we're going to look at the tricky one. The tricky part, this is the number one most common error in all of math, in all of algebra. Ask any pre-cal teacher, any algebra 2 teacher, they'll tell you this is the error that people make more than any other error. In order to understand what to do here, you need to understand this thing that we call a vinculum. What is a vinculum? The vinculum is this thing that I'm coloring in orange over here. That fraction line we call a vinculum. The vinculum has a very interesting property. Specifically, the vinculum has its own built-in invisible parentheses. So this 5m minus 7 over 7 is exactly the same as if the top was in parentheses. Even though the parentheses weren't written, the vinculum has its own built-in parentheses. Most people don't know it. Most people get these types of questions wrong. Now, knowing that it has built-in parentheses, it's exactly the same as the last problem. Minus 2 minus 5m plus 7 all over 7. This is the most common mistake in algebra. Master this mistake, master the skill, understand that the vinculum has its own built-in parentheses. It's going to help you so much with algebra, algebra 2, pre-cal, calculus, the SAT, and the SAT math level 2 subject test.